Baby, I need to know.
Here at Killhole Place, downtown Honolulu. About to clean 3 compactors. It's a 3-day project. Me and Daniel, 2-man job.
One for you, and I need to know if this love is true. And lately I offer you my
Story, 43-story building. Trash chute cleaning. Today, tomorrow, and Friday. Keep you guys posted on the progress. So same thing with all our doors. We scrape the inside, making sure everything is looking clean for the residents. And then in here, you notice I'm going one motion with the scrubber, because when you're using this steel wool, this is actually a good thing that I used. When you use this, what it does is, if you start going all over the place, you'll start seeing little scratch marks on these steel doors. So what you want to do is make sure everything is going down together one time. Any marks or anything that might be showing on the doors, and then after I do the scraping, then I follow it up and blanket the doors. So I have water with soap, and then I have clean water on the other side, just to make sure that I'm able to wipe those doors down after I wash everything down. See that? So these doors look brand new. Wipe the outside, wipe this side, wipe the top. So the top, and then the clean water. Yeah, I come in with the clean water. That is soap off the door. Yeah. Get all the soap off the door. Those trash chute doors, the intake doors, the next. Oh, looks pretty good. So, just tips on when you guys are cleaning these intake doors. Just got to make sure you're going one way. You're going one direction when you're using the scrubber, to make sure you don't leave any marks going all over the place. Over the other side, just to make sure that I'm able to wipe those doors down after I wash everything down. See that? So these doors look brand new. Wipe the outside, wipe this side, wipe the top. So the top, and then with the clean rag. Right here, I come in with the clean rag. All this soap off the door. See that? Get all the soap off the door. Those trash chute doors, these intake doors, and that's, oh, looks pretty good. So just tips on when you guys are cleaning these intake doors. Just got to make sure you're going one way. Make sure you're going one direction when you're using the scrubber, to make sure you don't leave any marks going all over the place. Over now. Mafia with Island Bin Cleaners here. We're back at Killhole Place, day 2. Right now we're setting up for the drop. It hoses and then the reel. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set up over here in the trash room. What's up, buddy? We set up in the trash room. Gonna clean the inside of this compactor. I'll let you guys know. So we're all set up. We got 100 feet, 100 feet, 100 feet, 150 feet from the reel. Remember, this is a 43-story building. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the 25th floor, and then we're gonna set this up on the 43rd floor. We're gonna rope from the 25th floor down, just because the 25th floor down, the lower floors are always the dirtiest floors. And then after we rope down to the 25th floor, then we're gonna pull the hoist back up, or pull the rope back up, or the spinner back up to the 43rd floor. And then we're gonna start the drop again and clean everything all the way through again, just to make sure we get everything all completed. All right, so again, this is Mafi. We're over here, Killhole Place, 43-story building. Let's go, baby. We're in the trash room, or in the trash chute room, on the 25th floor. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cleaning the trash chutes here. So the reason why we want to start, and so we want to make sure we double hit it with the spinner. So we can hoist it up, but to make things a little bit faster and efficient, we're gonna rope it up and then force the rope to the middle, and then drop the drop the spinner from there, and it should be able to clean it all the way through. So, and then pull it up, drop it again. Keep you guys posted.
I'll trade you my heart. Why don't you stay just a little while longer? I'll give you my heart.
So right now we got the spinner on. Look at all this sludge water from the trash chute. We got these customers on a annual cleaning, but we switched them over to biannual. But what we got is we got the hot water. We got it up to the 43rd floor, and all this sludge water is going down here. So what I'm gonna have to do every now and then is clear the drain. Because it's so thick, the sludge, it makes it tough for it to go down the drain. So I'll keep you guys posted. But we got the spinner on up at the top floor. And then I told Daniel, who's up there, that we're gonna drop. All right, so we're done with the drop. Right now we're just sweeping all the sludge water down the drain. One thing about when you're dropping the spinner, you want to make sure that you're organized with your rope. Make sure you wind it up nicely because you don't want to get entangled up for the next job. But we're all done, just doing the cleanup, wind up. Tomorrow we have the townhomes right next door that way. But for the time being, we good. All right. All right, day 3 of our 43-story trash chute cleaning. Right now we're gonna be focusing up on the townhome side, about 4 stories. So we already got the setup going. So there's the reel from our truck. We run it all the way alongside this, along the wall. Anywhere people are walking, you always gotta make sure it's pulling off. So we have it running all the way alongside the spinner, already connected. And what we're gonna do is shoot that right up there and drop it down using hot water. Keep you guys posted.
Just a kiss in a world that don't need